If you want to grow trees in pots or containers, then you are watching the right video. Here we will show you 7 of the best trees to grow in pots or containers, both indoors and outdoors in your garden. And tree number 1 is olive tree. This Mediterranean plant will add a perfect touch to your home or garden. It needs a lot of light, so the best option is to place it where there is at least 6 hours per day of direct sunlight. Number 2, citrus tree. Citrus trees such as lemon or orange trees grow very well in pots. They can grow outside in the garden or indoors in front of a bright window. Container-grown citrus trees can produce fruit year-round when given proper care. And number 3 is banana tree. Give your home or garden an exotic touch with the banana tree in a container. It grows very well indoors because it can also grow without direct sunlight or intense brightness. And number 4 is cherry tree. Any variety of cherry tree can thrive in pots as they are naturally compact. Many varieties create a wonderful feature in the spring with beautiful pink or white flowers. Number 5, palm tree. Palm trees grow very well in pots and gives a nice tropical touch wherever we place it. Most palm trees do not need direct sunlight, which makes them perfect for indoor spaces. Number 6, bay trees. These trees thrive very well in containers. They grow well both indoors and outdoors. It can be pruned into various decorative shapes, and you can also use its leaves for culinary purposes. And number 7, fig tree. Fig trees look great in containers and they are one of the easiest trees to grow. For an indoor tree, dwarf fig trees is a more suitable option. Put it in a sunny spot. Now you have several options to choose. So choose your trees to grow in pots or containers. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please don't forget to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. See you and goodbye.